This 2016 Jayco Pinnacle 38 FLSA is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 42 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 6, Awning, Skylight, TV, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, DVD player, Slideout, stovetop burner, oven, and 87 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Pinnacle 38 FLSA is 13,505 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.